Asundskeuttiö Maakotkantie.
Today's the 28th of March 2022. Oh, it's downstairs, but the light is not working.
Yeah.
I think we should fix a lamp here. I'll put my flashlight on my mobile phone so that we can see better. Just one moment, please. We are on Maakotkantie. Maakotkantie, Kungsörnsvägen. 4 Stekisby, but we still need to go to the staircases A, C, and D here. It's really nice. It's in 1990, turned 30 years old in 2020, and the serial number is H65984. The capacity is 4 persons, so 325 grams, and it's going to be inspected in 2023. I think it's there for 1 year. Okay. Just need to press it properly.
Yeah.
Amazing sounds. This might be early 1990 because he has the older numbers.
Yes.
And I forgot to tell that this is in Korso, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland, Finland.
Jetzt dit bei Liftinstituutet meidän bei Espanjassa.
Yeah. And we still have 19 elevators left to be filmed in Korso. They're 19.
Yeah.
I couldn't feel the smell so much, but it was still nice.
Yeah.
I like the smell a lot in these types of aluminum from the late 80s or 90s. The ventilation is efficient here.
Yes.
Through these holes there. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope we'll get to the next.